In today's video, we are going to talk about how to complete your course in order to be successful. First, let's start by opening the section for Unit 1. Make sure you do the course in the order that it's presented. Pay attention to the order of your lessons, assignments, and other activities. Notice how many lessons there are before the assignments. You have to finish these lessons first, then attempt the assignments. Everything you need to hand in is listed on your pacing guide. Let's begin by clicking on the Unit 1 introduction. Navigate through the section by clicking Next Activity. Near the beginning of your unit, you will see a podcast. This is really useful if you prefer to listen to lesson content rather than read through it. You have the option to play within the tab or download to play on the device or app of your choice. There are additional accessibility options within your lessons. Click on this icon in the top corner. You can use this selection tool to read aloud a section of text. The play, pause, and stop buttons allow you to play a transcript of the lesson. Keep in mind that the podcast is a more engaging way to listen to your lessons. There are also translation and dictionary lookup options. This is a picture dictionary option to visualize terms. You can also highlight text using this button and use the binoculars to focus on sections of text. Explore the settings to find what works best for you. As you progress through the lessons, you may be asked to do an activity. These are usually related to assignments you'll do later, so make sure that you follow along. Once you're done with the lessons, you can move on to the next activity by going to your course homepage. You may attempt the quiz, discussion, or assignment. We cover completing quizzes, discussions, and submitting assignments in other videos. If you find you're struggling on your assignment, even after you've completed the lessons, you probably need to book an office hour with your teacher, which will be covered in another video. Before you come to the office hour, we will check if you've completed your lessons, so make sure that you've actually done the work necessary before coming to office hours. Finally, once you've reached the halfway point of your course, you're ready to book your midterm exam. You can prepare best for your exam by making notes on lesson topics and reviewing the assignments. Specific information on booking a test will also be covered in another instruction video. After you've scheduled your test, you can move ahead to the next unit, which will be laid out in the same way. In summary, we covered the main tips for success in your course: completing your course's lessons, doing all of the assignments, when to ask for help, and studying for tests. Thanks for watching.